Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Steam from killing your Wi-Fi. Now, if you are downloading any game, just simply click on the Steam on the top left corner, then click on settings. Now here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop or limit the download speed so you can save your Wi-Fi from too much download speed. Now, in order to get that, just simply open the Steam settings, then go to downloads. Now, in here, you need to find the option of limiting your downloading. So in order to find that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the section that says remote download speed, and in here you need to enter the amount of the Steam that you want to throttle in the form of kbps. Like for example, if I type 20,000 kbps, that means the download speed will be limited to 20 megabytes per second. So you can easily customize it from here, and you can save your Wi-Fi and enter or control the limit of the download speed. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.